This video is brought to you by TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy is a toolkit for all YouTubers alike, with advanced metrics and functionality within YouTube itself, including things like bulk syndication and other bulk updating tools. TubeBuddy is the best video manager for you. Want to try it yourself? Click the link down below to get a free trial. Also consider signing up for Talency, with TubeBuddy Pro included.
Hey, what is up guys? Matt here from the Toasty Bros, and I'm here with a new series. Today we're going to be starting off Toasty Deals, which, as the name might explain, I go through some of the best PC hardware deals for the day as I look through popular subreddits in different locations for different deals from popular retailers. A majority of the links mentioned in this video are affiliate links, so if you make a purchase, it does support the channel, so consider that when making your purchase. But without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First up, we have a deal on the Ryzen 3 2200G, which is a quad-core processor with Vega 8 graphics on board. We actually did a video of a pre-built system from Computer Upgrade King using one of these APUs and was able to show off the power that these systems can actually provide using a Ryzen 3 APU. So if you're interested in picking one of these up, I have a deal for you where you can save $10 using the promo code that is in the description down below next to the link, so you can get this CPU for $95, making it an even better price performance value for people who want to get into PC gaming on a very tight budget. Its quad-core design with Vega 8 graphics allows you to play most esports titles at 1080p low to medium settings and stretches into some higher end titles at 720p low settings. It's a really awesome chip to be able to get into gaming now, and if you're interested, as mentioned before, link in the description down below with promo code that allow you to save $10 on this purchase. Next up, we actually have a deal on a GPU. We have a GTX 1080 that is in stock for $579, but if you use the promo code in the description down below, you can save $30. This is a really good sign, showing that some of the GPUs are starting to come back in stock at close to retail cost. Around $540 for a GTX 1080 is a really good value still, and picking up this card right now will give you a really long-lasting GPU for most people out there, pretty much more power than most people actually need, and at a very reasonable cost for the amount of performance that it provides. Next up, we have a monitor from Nixius, which is actually a 27-inch 2560 by 1440p AMD FreeSync monitor that is 144Hz capable. We worked with companies like Pixio before that provide monitors similar to this at the similar price tag, but this one actually looks really cool and comes with an included stand that looks pretty robust. Compared to the other offerings out there that make you buy a stand separately, this one for $400 comes in with a really awesome stand and a 27-inch 1440p 144Hz design. I really like the way this monitor looks, and I've heard of Nixius before. I've never actually tried out their monitors, but be sure to comment down below if you have any experience with this brand. It looks like a really decent monitor for the price. It is IPS and compared to other monitors that are VA, and it does come with a really awesome stand, as mentioned before. We can actually adjust it and see different viewing angles with it. So this is definitely a monitor to consider if you're looking to get into the high-end monitors. And I always recommend 1440p 144Hz as the monitor of choice for pretty much anyone out there who wants a really good-looking monitor and also one that's really awesome for gaming. Now, I actually found a pretty decent deal on a pre-built desktop. This is a i5 7400 system with 8GB of RAM and a 1TB hard drive, along with an RX 580 for about $689. It's right now on sale for about 12% off. You're saving about $90 on this setup. For $689, you're getting a pretty decent pre-built system. For those who are kind of scared to build their first PC or kind of just want a pre-built all put together option that comes with a warranty, this would be a good option for you. The i5 7400 is honestly a little bit limiting in terms of its performance for the money, but the included AMD RX 580 is a really good card for the money, and if the cryptocurrency market ever booms again, that RX 580 could actually be sold for a pretty penny, and then you can use that money after you sell it to upgrade to a higher end GPU, or maybe even upgrade the CPU in general to something like a 7700K. So overall, for $689, you're getting a really well put together system. Not the most optimized, because you may need to throw an SSD in there at some point. You could probably get one for about 30 or 40 bucks now, just a cheap 120 gig, but this could be a good starter kit for someone who wants to get into PC gaming. Now, this isn't really much of a deal, but I want to let you all know about the Ryzen 2 lineup, which is just released and is out for pre-order. You can get the Ryzen 5 2600, the Ryzen 5 2600X, Ryzen 7 2700, and 2700X for their respective prices. These CPUs are steps above from the previous Ryzen counterpart, offering better clock speeds, and they're definitely something you should consider if you were considering Ryzen in the past and just didn't pull the trigger on it. The pricing is really good. The Ryzen 7 2700 seems to be a good price performance performance value, and also the Ryzen 7 2700X seems to be a really good value. With this upgrade, Ryzen does perform better in gaming, and if you've been hesitant in picking up one of these CPUs because of that, you now have the best of both worlds with these CPUs, so definitely consider it using the link in the description down below. And that about wraps this video up here, guys. If you have your own deals that you want to submit, comment them down below. I'll be sure to check them and approve them if they're really good deals, because YouTube will automatically flare links as being not approved, but I'll go through the list and check and see if these deals are worth mentioning. But if you haven't already, be sure to like this video if you like it, dislike if you dislike it, subscribe if you're new, and be sure to shoot us a follow on Twitter down below. I'll be tweeting out deals on there a lot more whenever I come across them, and it's a good way for me to get stuff out to you all without having to do a live stream or a dedicated video. And if you haven't already, join our Discord community as well, because we also share a bunch of deals there and talk about PC hardware and that sort of stuff. Thanks again, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.